Dreaming of your next vacation but overwhelmed by where to start? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the art of travel planning, making sure your next adventure is not just memorable, but seamless. From navigating cultural nuances to ensuring your wallet stays as full as your heart, join us on a journey to making your travel dreams a reality. First up, destination research. Think of it as getting to know a new friend. What languages do they speak? What's their culture like? Any no-go zones? And when do they shine the brightest? Whether it's the cherry blossom season in Japan or the northern lights in Iceland, timing is everything. And remember, understanding cultural sensitivities isn't just polite, it's your ticket to truly immersive experiences. Next is crafting a budget that works for you. It's not just about how much you spend, but how wisely you spend it. Off-peak seasons can offer the same stunning locales for less, and package deals can be gold mines. And always keep a little extra tucked away for those just-in-case moments, because the best travel stories often start with a bit of spontaneity. Let's talk staying places. Booking accommodations ahead of time not only saves you stress, but can also unlock incredible deals. Whether you're a luxury seeker or a budget backpacker, there's a perfect spot out there for you. And sometimes, stepping out of your comfort zone can lead to the most authentic experiences. Insurance might sound like the boring part of travel, but think of it as your adventure shield. It's there to catch you if you fall, literally or figuratively. From lost luggage in Lima to a twisted ankle in Thailand, it's the hero you didn't know you needed. And ensuring it covers every aspect of your journey, that's just smart planning. Health is your passport to global exploration. Vaccinations, medications, and a trusty first aid kit are your travel essentials. After all, the only bug you want to catch is the travel bug, and keeping your prescriptions filled means you won't have to pause your adventure for an unexpected pharmacy hunt. In the world of travel, your passport is your best friend. Make sure it's valid well beyond your return date and has plenty of empty pages. Navigating visa requirements early can save you a world of time. And those digital backups? They're your safety net in the cloud. Crafting your itinerary is like painting your adventure on a canvas. Mix must-see sites with hidden gems for a masterpiece of memories. Booking ahead can save you from the dreaded sold-out sign. But remember, the most unforgettable moments often come from the unplanned detours. Packing is an art form where less is truly more. Choose versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched. And remember, layers are your friend. And those chargers and adapters, they're as essential as your toothbrush. After all, a dead phone makes for a poor storyteller. Travel is the ultimate act of global citizenship. Learning a few phrases in the local language, dressing respectfully, and embracing local customs isn't just polite, it opens doors to authentic connections. Your respect for the places and people you visit weaves the very fabric of unforgettable travel experiences. Now let's talk getting around. Every destination has its own rhythm, and there's no better way to tune into it than by mastering local transportation. From the underground labyrinths of subways to the quaint charm of trams, knowing your options can turn travel puzzles into smooth rides. And hey, don't forget about biking or even walking. They're not only eco-friendly, but also perfect for stumbling upon those hidden gems you won't find in any guidebook. Now, let's get serious for a moment. Emergency preparedness. It's like the travel world's version of expect the unexpected. Know the local emergency numbers, find out where your embassy hangs its hat, and keep a list of nearest hospitals. A little prep goes a long way, and it's all about traveling with confidence, knowing you've got a backup plan for just about anything. Diving into cultural events and festivals can turn a simple trip into an epic saga of memories. Imagine dancing the night away at a local fiesta or getting swept up in the magic of a traditional ceremony. But here's a pro tip. These events can also mean packed streets and closed attractions. So, plan ahead and maybe even align your visit to catch these spectacles. Trust me, it's worth it. Foodies, listen up. Exploring local cuisine is like a love letter to your taste buds. From sizzling street food to exquisite dining, each dish tells a story of history, culture, and tradition. Dive in, but remember to check for any dietary restrictions or allergies you might have. Oh, and always ask locals for their top picks. They know where the good stuff is. Let's chat about luggage security. Your bag is basically your mobile home when you travel, so keep it safe with good quality locks and maybe even a tracker. Use luggage tags and keep those valuables tucked away. Because let's face it, exploring is way more fun when you're not worrying about your stuff. Time zones, nature's way of reminding us the world is a big place. Jet lag can be a real party pooper, so ease into new time zones by adjusting your sleep schedule a few days before you depart. And when you arrive, take it easy. Maybe plan a chill day to soak in the new vibes while your body catches up. Sustainability isn't just a buzzword, it's a travel philosophy. Choose accommodations that give back to the environment, support local economies by shopping and dining locally, and always respect nature. Remember, we're not just visitors, we're guardians of these incredible places. Connecting with locals isn't just about directions or recommendations, it's about building bridges. Engage with the community, whether through a guided tour, a local cooking class, or just a chat at the coffee shop. These moments of connection are the heartbeats of your travel experience. Keeping safe is key to a worry-free adventure. Stick to well-lit areas at night, choose reputable transportation, and always let someone know your plans. It's not about fear, it's about smart, conscious exploring. And remember, your gut feeling is your best travel buddy. Finally, let's talk downtime. Yes, there's an endless list of sights to see and things to do, but sometimes the best memories come from simply being. Find time to unwind, whether it's a lazy beach day, a leisurely stroll through a local park, or just some quiet time with your thoughts. Because at the end of the day, travel is not just about seeing, it's about experiencing, feeling, and being. And there you have it, folks, your comprehensive guide to making the most out of your travels. From embracing new cultures to ensuring every step is safe and sound. Remember, the world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. So go ahead, plan smart, travel far, and create stories that last a lifetime. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and tales. Safe travels,